am in Lubbock, Texas. Yet again. It's always good to come to the same place, different times of the year, so you can get the complete vibe. I'm on my way to meet Helene and Neil, my newest winners, and I'm super excited to meet them and hear their story. Are they living here? Are they coming from out of state? How much do they want to spend? We all want to know that, don't we? So let's get into it. Hello, hello.
Hello. Hi.
Oh my gosh, hi. Look how gorgeous you are.
Thank you. You're beautiful.
May I?
Rub your head.
Shall we?
Yes.
You guys hungry?
Yes, starving. Thank
Starving.
you.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
To you. Lubbock, Texas, I'm back. Last time I was in this exact spot, I had a pink cowboy hat on its first.
Yes, we remember that.
Ooh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, this is beautiful. I am so excited to be back in Lubbock. What brings me here? Obviously, you came into some money.
Yes.
So tell me all the details.
I won $3.5 million.
Okay, can we just back up? $3.5 million?
Yes.
On what?
Yes, on Lotto America. We play the same numbers every week.
You gotta tell me the story.
Yeah, so we had a trip planned to Vegas, do some sightseeing out there. And Helene was reading an article about how somebody had won $20 million off the slot machine out there. And I was like, oh, that means that we probably won't win out there. So I was like, well, let's check our numbers from our lottery tickets that we buy, like every week. Lo and behold, we won $3.5 million.
Just like that?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Financial freedom. How has that changed your life?
So I was able to pay off my mom's house.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Yes.
Oh my God.
So-
He's a keeper.
He is
And
a keeper. He's a good
and then now we're just looking for a house here in Lubbock.
Are you guys from here?
No. We live in Albuquerque right now.
Okay. What is bringing you over here?
Yeah, it's a very musical, and restaurants have great food here.
There really is.
And we get more bang for our buck, basically.
What's your budget?
So she wants to stay around 500,000, and I'm willing to go up to 700,000.
I'm cheap. He's way bougie.
I'm a little bit more bougie, yes. Definitely.
So you and I.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm thinking four bedrooms, 3 baths.
Okay.
I'd like her to have an office because, she does work from home. A porch to sit on,
Front or back?
Either one.
Either one.
Either one. Like we're stargazers, so we like
Like
watching
rocking
the stars.
chairs.
The desert nighttime sky, there's nothing like it. So I'm starting out in the southwest part of Lubbock where there's some really beautiful neighborhoods being built. Dozer Drive was built just a few years ago, and it is stunning. I'm right at the top of their price range at $690,000. Get a lot here in Lubbock.
How are you?
I'm doing so good.
Good.
Love
So
this
cute.
neighborhood.
Do you love it?
Oh,
Love
it's
it.
beautiful.
Brand new houses. They all have a really beautiful aesthetic. Let me tell you a little bit about the house. Dozer Drive has 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Hi, bougie.
Hey, man.
Just shy of 3,100 square feet. It sits on a half an acre, so it's a really nice sized lot. Plenty of moments for stargazing.
Awesome.
I gave you your front porch.
Oh, beautiful.
Isn't it cute? And I'm coming right at the top of your price range at $690,000. I decided to spend all of it.
If you're gonna go, right?
Let's do it. Let's go look at this house. Here we go. Come on in, my darlings.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Beautiful.
Isn't it stunning?
This is beautiful.
Great.
Yeah, we were right
gorgeous.
into the foyer and the dining area. I love that it's separate. That makes me really, really happy.
Definitely.
So, beautiful, great room here.
Oh, wow.
Oh, beautiful.
That's
Isn't this
beautiful.
lovely?
It is gorgeous.
Lovely. Nice.
Nice and spacious, isn't
Oh,
it?
yeah.
Very spacious, yeah.
Here's a beautiful kitchen. What do you think of the tile?
I love it.
You
Love it,
do?
love it. I do. It's beautiful.
I love the color of these cabinets. It's just this really pleasant, warm, creamy. It's just really nice instead of the standard white.
Oh, yeah.
Do you guys like beams?
We do love
We
beams.
love
I would
beams.
absolutely do beams, probably throughout the entire house to really accentuate the height of the ceilings are.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So we're gonna sit on the sofa.
Yeah.
All right. What I love about this house, obviously, we love this.
Yes. Love the fireplace.
Love the fireplace.
Definitely want a fireplace.
But I love this house because it's set up really nicely when it comes to the bedrooms. We have a bedroom on each corner. Upstairs, there's one, and the main suite is all by itself on that side of the house.
Nice.
So nice, right?
Perfect.
Yes.
This practical floor plan offers private seclusion for the guests in the charming light-filled rooms, while the main suite has its own corner of the house. Great size room.
It's a great size room.
Yeah.
Definitely. The windows are nice.
Like the tray ceiling.
Yeah. Oh,
Tray ceiling's
yeah.
fun. Why don't you guys check out the main suite?
Oh, I love it. Love the tub.
Love that tub.
Love the tub.
Are you guys tubbers?
No.
No.
But at least you love it.
It's
Yeah,
pretty though.
it's pretty, you know.
It's very pretty.
So-
Yeah.
Double sinks, which we love.
We need that. It's gorgeous.
All right, so we have one more space to look at, and that's upstairs.
All right.
We love bonus rooms.
Yes.
Closet.
Oh, that's a great size.
And look how big this is.
This is huge up
Yeah.
here.
It's huge.
This would be great for my office. Kind of have the quietness and still have the window and my own bathroom.
Why don't you guys check out your own bathroom?
Oh, this is really nice.
It's pretty, isn't it?
It is very pretty.
Same floors as downstairs.
Yeah, they kept everything very neutral and
It's really nicely designed. All right, let's go outside. Okay, here we go. All right. I mean, look at this backyard, you guys.
this is great.
This is a great size.
beautiful.
Isn't this nice?
Yep.
Give me all your ideas.
Yep. So fire pit, rocking chairs.
Yeah, I love the big open sky.
Like a stargazing vibe.
We
Yes.
Like how fun.
do. Yeah, nice
yeah.
big sky.
Ah.
It's gorgeous.
Okay, for tomorrow. How's the budget? How are we at?
We could come down a little bit on the budget. You
A
know?
little bit.
Like,
Yeah.
How
yeah.
much? I'm just kidding. I'm not going to ask. I'm just going to do.
yeah, you do you.
We trust you. We trust you.
No, we're right outside of Lubbock. It's really quiet. This is a stargazing wonderment. Like, there is no light pollution out here. Do you know why? Because there's no one out here. The Mason is a beautiful house. This is one of the first houses in a subdivision. Will they live in construction for the next 3 to 5 years? Absolutely. Let's see if they're afraid of that. But one thing I know they're not going to be afraid of is how gorgeous this house is.
How are you?
I'm good.
Love that green on you. It's
Thank
gorgeous.
you. Love the burgundy.
Thank you.
Love the pink.
Yeah,
Thank you.
matchy.
Listen to that.
Peaceful.
Great. It's
Does
beautiful.
that freak you out a little bit?
No.
No.
You love
No,
it?
yes.
Oh,
I
yeah.
love this. So you're not scared of this?
No.
I mean, we both
No.
grew up in the city, but having quiet is awesome.
I wanted to show you this because it's too pretty and the house is fantastic and the price is getting closer to you. All right, let me tell you a little bit about the Mason. It's got 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Here's the most wonderful thing. It sits on over an acre.
Oh,
Nice.
That's stargazing delicious at its best. Oh, I didn't tell you the price.
No.
$610. Let's go.
Oh, wow.
I know,
Awesome.
you're welcome.
Even better.
2-car garage over here, which I love. Lots of opportunity here for some
Definitely.
landscaping.
Definitely.
So we have our front porch here as well. All right. Okay, you gotta feel the weight of this door. Feel it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
You know what that means? Money. That's money.
That's awesome.
Nice.
All right, here is
Oh,
a
wow.
very great room.
Yes.
Oh,
very
this is
great.
very lovely.
Isn't this
Nice.
nice?
Nice and
Huge.
open.
It feels so much bigger than yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. Definitely. Lots of
Kitchen.
room to spread out.
Kitchen's equally as delicious. That the cabinets go all the way to the ceiling.
Great. Great. I love the sink. It's beautiful. Yeah, little trash. Yep, perfect.
Soft closing.
Soft close.
Soft
yeah,
closing.
that's
That's my
way.
big thing.
This
Yeah.
is great because I do cook, so this will be nice.
So nice.
Yeah.
Over here we have a beautiful eat-in dining area, which is completely different than yesterday. That one was more closed off. I mean, look how big this living room
This is great.
So much bigger than yesterday, right?
Yes.
Definitely.
Great fireplace as well.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Guest bedrooms or a main bedroom for you guys?
Yes.
We always want to do the guess and leave the best for
I
last.
agree,
definitely,
100%. There are 3 guest bedrooms to choose from and 2 guest bathrooms with loads of storage. At the front of the house is a room perfect for Helene's home office. And the main bedroom is huge.
Wow.
This is a main bedroom.
This is a big
A bedroom.
Big Texas bedroom.
Definitely.
You're gonna need to put a sofa in here and a few club chairs.
Yeah.
Check out the main bathroom.
Awesome. Oh, nice.
This is very bright.
Huge and bright.
Yeah.
Definitely. We've got 2 sinks. You can have your side, and I'll have my side.
I love that she's picking the bigger.
He has more things.
We have the tub that we'll never use.
But it's so pretty.
It's pretty.
Yeah,
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Let's go pretend we're stargazing
Okay.
in the middle of the
In the
day.
middle of the day.
Awesome.
This is where we lay down and
Yes.
watch the stars.
Exactly.
Like, how fun.
Yeah, it's
Oh, yeah.
big sky.
Ah.
It's gorgeous.
And again, let's just be quiet for a hot second. Nothing.
So peaceful.
Our outdoor oasis.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Start planting those plants to get them to grow as tall as possible, just so we have some greenery out here, some life, you know?
Definitely.
Because there will be neighbors eventually. All right,
Definitely.
tomorrow, what can I do for you guys tomorrow?
I trust in you.
Trust in you.
Fools.
It's dangerous, right?
One of the things this area of the country is known for is its high winds, and we are feeling it today. Helene and Neil love being in the middle of, I don't want to say nowhere, but nowhere. They love quiet. They love the open space. They love stargazing, and the less lights around, the better. So today we're in Ropesville. Yeehaw. Ollie Lane is a beautiful house. What I love about this property is it's private, and we have this beautiful berm of trees here. And I love them. Welcome to Ropesville.
Love it.
Now, getting to know you, I understand that you guys really like to be in the middle of nothing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel complete.
Welcome to Texas.
What do you guys think of this property? Look how...
It's gorgeous. Oh, there's another one.
Oh my God. I love this.
It's gorgeous. It's
Yes.
very, very open. We
I like
got
the way it's
horses.
open.
Let me tell you a little bit about Ollie Lane. It's got 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. It's over 3,100 square feet. It sits on almost 2.5 acres.
That's awesome.
I know you guys like
Yep,
privacy.
we like privacy.
Want to get a
Awesome.
price?
Yes.
What's the price?
$599,000.
Oh, perfect. You're so good.
I know.
Awesome.
All right.
599,000 tumbleweeds.
Tumbleweeds. Oh, I love the porch.
Isn't this adorable?
Yes. They already have the rockers out.
All right, here we go, guys.
Ready?
Come on in, my darlings. Beautiful,
Oh, wow.
great room, right?
I
Yes.
love the beans.
Gorgeous.
Beams
Those
are
are
so
great.
nice, aren't
Yeah.
they? It gives it a sense of self, character, and it tells a story. And it also feels more expensive.
It
Oh,
does.
yeah.
And it's
Because-
really warm.
Yeah.
Like not cabiny, but just warm.
Yeah, great sized living room, but we're gonna go right to the kitchen. Tons of storage.
Love it.
So there's no pantry here, but it has all of this, kind of this butler's kitchen over
Oh, that's
here.
nice. Oh, that's very cool. Definitely.
Are they soft closing?
They are not soft.
They are not.
But that's easy to change.
It is.
Yeah,
It's
just flip
not
it.
a ton of
Yeah.
work, and it's not a ton of money.
Right.
Exactly.
So we have an eat-in kitchen over here. Again, loving the light
Cute light,
fixture.
yeah.
And we have a few bedrooms and a bathroom over here.
Great.
But what I love,
cute.
it's so cute, right?
A little pocket door.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What I love about this is
Yeah.
the guest living room.
Oh, nice.
So they can close that door, they can have like a little moment. And listen, do you need to have this set up as still a living room? No, you can turn this into a pool table room. You can turn this into a bar area. Whatever your lifestyle, up to you. In this part of the house, there are also 2 bedrooms for guests to enjoy and a 3rd guest bathroom. Like yesterday, at the front of the house is a lovely space for an office. But away from all of that is the secluded main suite. Beautiful main suite.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
This is our first main bedroom that actually has a walkout to the beautiful view, which is so nice.
Put a hot tub
nice.
out there, and then you can just come in.
Yes. Check out the main bathroom suite. This is my favorite one, I think, that we've seen.
Yes.
I like the
you're-
bench.
Yeah. A tub we'll never use, but it's pretty. It looks pretty. The shower's really nice.
I love it.
Stonework.
Yep.
Yeah.
The closet is kind of everything.
Oh, wow. It's huge.
Get in there.
Yeah.
It's definitely big enough
Yeah.
for everything.
There's tons of storage.
There's a lot of storage. Should we go outside and look at this beautiful view?
Yes.
Definitely.
All right, come on out.
Oh, this is nice right off the bedroom.
Isn't this wonderful?
Yeah. This would be great.
Isn't this
Come out and just see the stars and
Yes.
Yeah.
Look at how much space. Like, look at it.
I mean, even
gorgeous.
though that we have neighbors, we don't even see them still.
Right.
Barely.
Right.
Yeah. Is this one a contender?
oh yeah,
It is.
definitely. Oh, thank you. Thank you, darling. Love it.
Good.
Yeah.
I'm glad.
Yes.
Are you ready for
Definitely.
it?
We
Yes.
are. We
I'm
are.
excited for you
definitely.
guys. All right, let's
We're
get
ready
out
for our
here.
life. Finding all the good spots for us.
You're welcome. Oh my God!
is really
Look at the
cute.
peacocks.
Aww. Oh.
It is a beautiful day.
Very beautiful.
Gorgeous. It's
Like,
perfect.
you guys are adorable.
Thank you.
I'm very proud to have been able to be on this journey with you guys. So we started in Lubbock. Stunning house.
Yes.
Dozer Drive. Neighborhood was all established.
The neighborhood was beautiful.
Love the porch.
Yeah.
Love the farmhouse look.
The tile in the kitchen was beautiful. Just had that really pretty, like, grand, like, home.
Yeah. Even though you love to spend money,
Yes.
Yeah.
you had
totally.
asked to come down in price, and I did. The Mason, $610,000,
And a bigger property.
over an acre.
Yes. So I love the fact that everyone can gather and it's all in one space.
Felt
Yes.
more spacious. The main bedroom,
Huge. You're gonna have to buy more furniture just to fit in there.
yeah.
Yeah.
First one in the community. You'll be living with noise and dust and stuff like that, so that is something to consider.
Yeah.
And when I saw that you guys really loved to be all by yourselves,
Yes.
I wanted to show you something. All by yourself, basically. Ollie Lane property was breathtaking. So was the house.
Oh yeah.
The
Love.
beams.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Love the beams. You know, she still could make her own office.
That was the only house that had main bedroom access to the outside.
Oh yeah.
Which is
that was nice.
That's huge.
Oh, huge.
It had the pergola too, you know, like which was really nice.
Yeah.
And just all the land around it was really nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
3 beautiful houses, no wrong answer. Let's hear it.
So, well, after long deliberation, we decided on the Mason.
Ah. I love that house for you guys.
We love that we are the first ones in the community, so we get to see the community grow. It's basically a blank canvas, like, so we can do what we want with that house, and it just felt so open and warm. So,
I'm excited for you guys.
We're excited.
right. Thank you for everything, and we have a little gift for
I
you
accept
to
all
show
gifts.
our appreciation.
You don't think it's my color. Oh, stop it. It says y'all. Oh my God.
The biggest things I love about the Mason here, it's a clean slate, and so we're starting out fresh, which is nice because then we get to make it our own.
We've kind of been back and forth between here and Albuquerque with Neil's work. We're here more now than we had been, so we're slowly making ourselves at home. Perfect.
Hello, hi, how are you? So we have a couple of friends coming over today.
Hi, good to see you too. Everybody's been super welcoming, so meeting new people here has not been an issue. Just the whole bottle.
Just getting to know everyone and make new friends and make this our new home and the new city that we live in. So what do you think about doing some grass out here? So we actually do have our rocking chairs now out on the back porch so that we can do our stargazing.